Green residents, this is Alice.
Hello. This is Dr. Heinz Doofenshmirtz. Am I speaking with the Animal and Wildlife Removal?
I just said this is the green residence, you ding-dong.
Sorry, I must have called the wrong number. You have a nice day.
That's it. Now, I happen to be an exceptional trapper. What kind of animal got you roping tonight?
Well, you see, I'm working on an important project, and I have a platypus problem.
A platypus?
Yes.
No, I hate those nasty little duck beavers.
I know Perry the Platypus is always trying to foil my...
Perry the... What in the haystack would you give that thing a name?
Well, I didn't name him personally. He works for the OWCA, and the first time that he thwarted me...
That's a big egg. You just point me in Perry the Platypus's direction, and then I will end him with my sword! Cricket! Tilly! Hope you're hungry, because we're having roasted platypus for dinner!
You know, I should warn you, Perry the Platypus is not an ordinary platypus. He's a very highly skilled agent, well-versed in the martial arts.
All right, I see what's going on here. You think I can't handle a weird little duck beaver that knows karate?
I mean, you sound like you might be a little bit older.
Now you listen here, Dr. Doofenjerk. I once conquered a pack of wolves with nothing but a toothpick and a can of beans.
All right, I'm sorry. I just need to get rid of Perry the Platypus in order to finish my baby-inator.
Baby, what now?
I'm going to shoot everyone in the tri-state area with this thing right here, and they will...
Okay, this got weird.